CTC Season 5. After a successful 4-year stint, we are back with the passion, the talent and the dhammal, where we make the corporate people sing, dance, cry, smile and simply go ballistic. With over 18,000 plus auditions, 20 city representation and 4 city finales, this year we made them compete like never before. We made them toil, we made them rehearse and earn the coveted CTC trophy. So who survived the knockout? And who won the talent battle?
And to tell us a little bit more about this incredible journey, I'd like to invite on stage the director and founder of Engage for More, a wonderful gentleman. Can we have a huge round of applause for him, Nishant Parashar.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the biggest, toughest, and most rewarding Corporate Talent Championship, CTC Season 5. Woo! 4 years we have been in the mode of simply encouraging, requesting sponsors, requesting corporates, encouraging the participants. Now it's Season 5. Now it moved towards a competition which is very, very tough. When I'm saying tougher, what we've done is we have clearly mapped CTC to the way we live our life in corporate world. Rewarding because of our sponsors. They have continued to be as generous, and we also have Datsun joining us into the family of CTC. So this year, the grand prize is a Datsun Redigo car. TVS has upped the game by introducing another competition called Shall We Dance. So be ready, glue to your seat, and don't blink as we roll the 5th season of CTC. Welcome again, and have a great evening ahead.
Now let's welcome our esteemed judges. This year we have the very dynamic music composer duo of Bollywood, Sachin Jigar, and the versatile celebrity dance choreographer, Ashley Lobo. CTC Season 5 was tougher than its past 4 seasons. This year we decided to give our corporate friends some jhatkas. Of the thousands of participants, the top 9 finalists were selected in 4 categories of solo singing, music, solo dance, and group dance. All participants compete in 2 decider rounds, the first being power play, which has 30% weightage points. And after the first round of power play, it is the second round of face-off. In this round, our 9 finalists of each category are grouped in 3 small groups of 3 each. Each group is given a song selected via lucky draw, and while they perform as a group, they are judged individually. Matlab Sangam bhi Sangram bhi. And this round has weightage of 70% points. Now, out of the 9 finalists in each category, top 2 will be selected based on the 30% marks of power play plus the 70% of face-off round. So let's go and see who knocks out whom in the face-off.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the face-off of the year. Get ready to box those boxes and be prepared for Zor Ke Jhatke. So give it up once again for the Corporate Talent Championship 2016. The party has begun. They need all your love. They need all your attention. They need all your whistles and screams. It's petrifying performing, but they know they're going to do it well. We've got an incredible, wonderful gamut of talent on stage. And we begin with the first category of face-off here today, the solo singing category. Now, our first group of participants are Nikhil from Trafigura, Mumbai, Shekhar from Tata Technologies, Pune, and of course, Ajay Kumar Bandho from Times of India, Delhi. लेकिन उससे पहले इन contestants के individual power play scores देख लेते हैं. There you go, 5, 10, and 8.
CTC. This is the first time I'm here. I frankly could not believe when they said that I had got the first rank on the Mumbai City finale, but it was a welcome surprise. I started singing from childhood. My mother trained me until 15 years of age. But after that, my 10th board started and my 12th board started, and the passion was lost somewhere. I hadn't picked up a mic in the last 4 years, and thanks to CTC, I'll probably be picking it up again.
In my family, all love singing, and that's why they inspire me to sing. I want to thank CTC, great concept. After coming in professional life, the singing and such kind of things are stopped happening in life, and they are giving us a platform to showcase our talent.
This is the first time I'm taking part in this CTC. I started singing when I was in college, and then I never learnt it, so there's a small hitch. It's a nervous and a very scary moment for me, but I'm simultaneously I'm enjoying it also. So.
कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी कुछ लेना चाहो कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी किसी ठौर टिके ना पाओ कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी किसी ठौर टिके ना पाओ कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी हाँ धूप चुने ना चाहो मस्त मौला मस्त कलंदर तू हवा का एक बवंडर उड़ के यूं अंदर ही अंदर क्यों रह गया रे कबीरा रे फकीरा यूं ना जा तुझको
amazing performance. That was truly awesome. And now I'd like to ask the judges, whom amongst these contestants would you guys choose if you were composing this song? Let's start with Sachin.
Okay, I think Shekhar, you are absolutely outstanding.
Whoa!
No matter whether you have hair on your head or not, but you got a lot of talent on your shoulders. And I think you're doing a kick-ass job.
Thank you very much.
Jigar.
I think I'm with Sachin and I'd only say Shekhar, you must take this a little more seriously, buddy.
Shekhar, I completely go with
Thank you, sir.
the experts. These are the experts, so I'm completely with them.
I'd
Really
only
well
like to add here, Cyrus, that Nikhil, I think you have immense talent out there. And Ajay, Bandhu, mere pyare Bandhu, I think you're amazing expression.
Thank you.
So I think you should hold on to that.
All right, thank you. Excellent.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to move on to our wonderful second performance of the evening. Our next contestants are Piyush from Capgemini India, Bangalore, Sarika from Times of India, Mumbai, and Nitya from Minax, a Concentrix company, Bangalore, who will face off on the evening. But first, let's take a look at their individual scores. 10, 9, and 7.
I'm learning music since childhood. I start my day with little Riyaz. CTC has given the opportunity to bring again what I left in my BTech level actually.
Music is something that I've always pursued with a very serious passion. As far as CTC, ये जो talent contest है, ये मेरा पहला performance है. I've never participated in a CTC competition before, but I'm really enjoying the experience. Started music at the age of 8. It's a wonderful, wonderful feeling that to be among those talented people, and I would definitely say may the best win, but I want to be the best. So yeah, if you ask for me, I would vouch for myself.
was incredible, man. Congratulations. What a performance. But it is time to ask our wonderful judges.
Well, when we started with Piyush, I thought this is what Face Off is. I love your energy, bro.
Thank you so much.
And I love the support that you have from Bangalore. I love this part of the audience, by the way. And then when we moved on to Sarika, I thought Sarika took it to a whole different level. But my dear friends, the charm lies in this third power-packed performer called Nitya. You have my vote for this one.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations. Jigar, do you agree, disagree?
I'll go with Piyush.
Thank you, sir.
I think only for the fact that, you know, he pulled it off with so much simplicity, right? I couldn't feel the strain. But to hit that note, to start off like that, you know, it takes a lot of courage. Piyush, you're really, really good, buddy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And Ashley, who's the one person you're choosing?
I think Sarika, I love the quality of your voice. Just the timbre of it is really, really strong. Again, Piyush, it was very simple, very straight, very, very clear. And Nitya, I love the way you played with it. All of you guys were amazing, but I think I will go with Nitya.
Wow! And now moving on to our next performance of the evening, we have with us Nihar from Infosys Limited, Pune, Abhishek from SKF India Limited, Pune, and Chandrabhanu from Striker, Delhi, who will face off with the famous song Dil Muft Ka from the film Agent Vinod. Now it's going to be a lot of fun because we have three boys singing a mujra. But of course, before we move any further, let's take a look at their power play scores, which represent 30% of their position this evening. Take a look. We have 6, 4, and 7.
Coming to CTC, I feel this is a very good platform that corporate people have got. And being a finalist, always pressure would be there. But at the same time, I'm also excited as well as confident that I'll give best shot of my life.
लोग रोना और गाना सीख के आते हैं. So this is very much applicable in my case. Currently in my life, there are only two stuffs. One is job and one is music. That's the complete story. Else than that, I do nothing.
Music is my only passion other than my work. I've not learned a lot of music actually. I'm learning since the last couple of months only.
पीछे है वो है फरेबी, महंगा ये दिल सबके बस का नहीं है, बिकना है पर तेरी खातिर मुझे आज बाजार ही बिक गया रे, ले जा तू कर 77 इशारे, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का, ओ यूं तो प्रेमी 75 हमारे, ले जा तू कर 77 इशारे, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का।
सोचा तुम्हारा कि दिल हम खरीदे, क्या दाम है बोलो काटो रसीदे, सोचा तुम्हारा कि दिल हम खरीदे, क्या दाम है बोलो काटो रसीदे, पर तुमसे करवा ले जैसा भी चाहे, नजरें तुम्हारी मेरी हाजिरी, पर तुम्हारी ही नजरों से हारे, ले जा तू कर 75 इशारे, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का, यूं तो प्रेमी 75 हमारे, ले जा तू कर 77 इशारे, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का, दिल मेरा मुफ्त का। हे नैयो सोनिया तेरे बिन गुजारा, हे नैयो सोनिया तेरे बिन गुजारा, हे नैयो सोनिया तेरे बिन गुजारा, हे नैयो सोनिया तेरे बिन गुजारा।
What is happening here? It's getting better and better and better. Incredible, gentlemen. Truly quite an amazing performance. I bet the judges think so too. But I'd like to ask our jury members, out of the 3 gentlemen who sang this song, who truly blew your mind? And who got it right even emotionally?
I think Nihar, Nihar really killed it. The way he got into it, the way he got into the hook, also the way he said "Muft ka" all the time. You know, it kept coming back to me. I like the way Chandrabanu started off. If you would have just held that energy, buddy, it would have been like really good. But for me, it's of course Nihar all the way.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Ashley, what about you?
For me, it's Nihar. Thank you. Just hands down.
And that is Sachin.
Nihar, for multiple reasons, I think the way you took it off, and then you never went over the top. I think it's the sort of song that one can easily cross that line between balanced and slightly off balance. But Nihar, you held it, and you held it like how. I think this act with the 3 of you singing, "Oh Nayo Soneya," I think that was super energy. But if there's one guy I cannot take out of this combination, then that would be Nihar.
Bye. Thanks a lot.
जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के जरा।
And now we will pick 2 finalists of these 9 participants based on their total score of power play and face-off rounds. And these two finalists, Piyush Gore and Nitya Antapur R, will battle it out for the winning title in the next round, the Grand Decider round.
Welcome back to the final decider round of Corporate Talent Championship, or CTC 2016. But let me all remind you before we begin that one of our judges' score tonight will be kept a secret. We will have no idea of the actual score. Let's start with all our love for our first performers. Please welcome our first contestant, Piyush of Capgemini, Bangalore. It's time to ask our wonderful judges for their opinion. Sachin, we're going to start with you. कैसे लगी आपको इनकी performance?
That was profound, that was articulate, that was absolutely on the money. Piyush, I love you. Thank you, sir.
Brother, congratulations. Jigar, let's see if you share Sachin's views on him.
Absolutely. I think we have not made a mistake by getting Piyush on this final now. I think
you,
it's,
sir.
he's really controlled. I really like it.
Ashley?
Piyush, that was soulful, mesmerizing, and you completely drew me into you. That was very, very good. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Brother, you've been fueled with compliments. Ab dekhna ye hai what our judges have in store for you when it comes the time for scoring. Please remember that Ashley's score will actually be our top secret. It'll be our suspense, so nothing's going to be released there. But let's hear the scores from Sachin and Jigar. Whoa, big one. That's a number 9. Well done. 9 again from Jigar. What Ashley at this point is giving you is going to be a game changer, but congratulations. Thank you so much, my friend. What a wonderful performance here. And now it's time for our singing finalists, number 2. Please welcome with all your love, Nitya from Minax, a Concentrix company, Bangalore.
खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनशा सा वक्त भी यहाँ है जाने कितने लबों पे गिले हैं जिंदगी से कहीं फासले सजते हैं सपने क्यों आँखों में लकीरें जब छूटे इन हाथों से यूं बेवजह जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा सांसों ने कहा रुख मोड़ लिया कोई राह नजर में न आए धड़कन ने कहा दिल छोड़ दिया कोई छोड़े न जिस्म के साहे यही बार बार सोचती हूँ तन्हा क्यों मैं मेरे साथ साथ चल रहा है यादों का धुआं जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा
Congratulations once again. That was fantastic. Really, it was. And of course, now the time has come to ask our wonderful judges for their opinions. Sachin, we're going to start with you.
Nitya, I have 2 sets of news for you. One is not so good, the other is a good news. Which one do you want to hear first?
Not so good one first and then good one.
Okay. The not so good one is that this performance, although it touched my heart, and I think you have the tone, was not your best. But the good news is that you have the tone for playback.
Thank you so much.
You know, but I just thought you lost control somewhere. But nevertheless,
yeah.
great performance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Such encouraging words from Sachin. Let's see how Jigar fares with encouragement here.
I expected a better performance. You would have chosen another slightly simpler song and just made sure that you sing only what is required.
Ashley, how did her voice entrance you or not?
Nithya, your voice was lovely. It's deep, it's strong. And like Sachin was saying, you know, you have this beautiful quality of playing with a voice, which for me, I'm a layperson, but it's very enjoyable to hear.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've chatted a lot, but now it's time for the scores. Sachin, we're going to start with you, please. 8. Woohoo! Digger 7.
Thank you, sir.
Cut to Ashley with suspicious look. As you all know, Ashley's score will not be given to anybody at this point in time. We will reveal it later, hence the suspense.
That was a rocking performance by both the finalists. Who will win the title? Who will beat the other and take home the CTC trophy?
Best Solo Singing Act award goes to...
Just wait and watch, for we will announce the results in our next episode. Till then, stay tuned.